We're gonna do this hide and seek game. Me and her, if she wants to play.
What the?
So.
And she's gonna be it.
She's gonna be it.
Play what?
Hide and seek.
We're live on YouTube already.
We're live on YouTube.
Oh, hi.
Okay, now, guys, we're gonna hide. I'm gonna be the one with the phone. We gotta get some shit real quick. Okay.
Is it really on YouTube?
Yes, it's really on YouTube. I'm recording.
Hold on. Let me tell you when. There's so flipping hard in here.
Fuck yeah, it is. Guys, I never cuss around kids. Alright, let's go, ladies.
Ladies.
So, yeah, speak game, thank you very much. Now I'm not nervous about going to YouTube now.
Come on, dog.
Okay, so, you gotta go inside?
Yeah, I go.
I think it's the phone thing.
Go inside? Go inside?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna go hide. We're hiding in this little shed thing. Okay, we're hiding in this shed thing. But I don't know if she can see us.
She can see you.
Okay, he's hiding over there. Yo, scoot in, bro. Okay, so she didn't find me yet. She found me. Damn it. Who did you find first? Shay.
By the way, did you tell him my name?
Well, her name's Amber. Shay, where you at? Where did she go?
What? I found you first.
You found you.
What?
You're it.
Come here real quick. Okay.
Alright, guys. Where's Gucci?
Female and male. Under there. With that.
Okay, so we're gonna keep going hide and seek. You guys are gonna play hide and seek still?
Yeah.
Can we try tag hide and seek this time? Like right now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, shoot. Yo, hey. Tag me. I won't be it.
Okay.
Alright. Now you guys gonna go hide. While I stream. Yes, we gain. Thank you very much, man. I'm not nervous or nothing now. I don't give a shit how many dislikes I get from any movies now. Bro, I have to count and all that shit. I have to like count and everything, bro. It's weird counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, like fucking, I want to do hide and seek in Walmart, bro. That's my next step. 7, 8. That's a 4, 7, 8. What the fuck? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come. Here I come, ladies. Okay, so we're trying to find Shay and Aubrey right now. I am. There's only 3 of us playing. There's more. I want my cousin to come over here. Some real crap. So we're going. I already know what they are. I was just being stupid. They're where I was. So yeah, it's like cool in a way. Then it's not cool. Cause they're in the same spot I hide it at. Oh, I thought they were. Guess I was wrong. Well, these suckers are kind of like hard to find. Probably right here. No, told you they're hard to find. Kids are really hard to find. Adults are really easy to find because they're too big. Kids. So they're over there in the damn car. They're over there in the car. Hold up. So, got the car back. So yeah. Alright, you guys take care.